welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video we're gonna be doing the twin sister tag. A lot of you have been requesting this video for so long, and yeah, I guess it's about time that we do it, and we are so excited. Oh, but before we start with the actual video, I'd like to invite you guys because on May 19, 2018 we're gonna be having a makeup lesson, and everything is for free. Also, the drinks is on us, and it will be at CNB Mall in Marikina at Chef Ferdie. So if you guys are around the area, or if you guys wanted to see us like do a makeup tutorial live, then please be there. And yeah, looking forward to meet you all. Okay, so I've gathered questions from this website called the Tag Questions. What are you trying to say? So this is actually from the website called thetagquestions.com, and this is the list of interesting twin tag questions. So let's get started. Number 1, who is the oldest?
I'm 5 minutes older than her, but according to our mom, it's a week.
Yeah, actually, like scientifically or like medically,
something like that.
Yeah. So she's actually a week older than I am. So yeah. Okay, so next question. Favorite memory together. So actually we have so much memories.
Exactly, because our whole life we're together.
But yeah, I guess one of our most favorite, well yeah, basically my favorite part of like our memories together is I remember when we were like little girls, yeah, we would always ask our parents for like nighttime stories, and then our parents will make up some stories that doesn't really make any sense, but we love it. So yeah, I guess that's like one of my most unforgettable memories with my twin sister. And also every time we go out to eat together. Yeah. Next question. Each other's dream job. So what are our dream jobs? You go first.
Well, me, I'm dreaming to have my own company someday, hopefully. So yeah. And her dream job is to be a writer.
Yeah, you guys, it's no secret, I've already talked about how much I wanted to write a book, and you guys know that I've been working on it. So yeah, that's my dream job. Also, one of my dream jobs is to be a makeup artist, right?
Oh, sing.
Yeah, we both like to be or love to be a makeup artist someday. Question number 4, who takes longer to get ready?
She does.
Definitely, I take way too long to get ready.
I'm gonna tell her to go to shower first, then I'll end up
waiting for an hour.
An hour or so.
Because
so
approximately I need 3 hours to get ready. Like that's like the maximum,
and I only need like 30 minutes to 40 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, so next question. Do you have anything matching? Well, in terms of like not material type of stuff, probably our voices. A lot of people we've talked about are our laughter.
But my voice is deeper than her.
Yeah, my voice is a lot more on high pitch, and hers is like a little deeper. And also, a lot of people that we've known always tells us that we have the same laugh, which is kind of weird because I never thought that we had the same exact laugh. But people who met us together for the first time always says that it's so weird that we laugh the same way. Okay, so did you ever dress alike? Yeah, but back when we were like in high school, first year high school.
No,
we stopped. Yeah, we were like dressing the same exact clothes since we were born.
Yeah, but we stopped way back when we were in high school, because
first year high school.
We think that it's weird that whenever we're together, everyone was like looking at us, and they will like giggle or laugh, so we felt embarrassed.
Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing.
We told our mom that we don't want to match clothes anymore, so
we stopped. And yeah. 7. Song you would describe each other. So the song that always reminds me of my sister is the song called Sister by Chrissy and Erica. If you guys haven't heard about that song, it's a great song. The message is so beautiful, so it really reminds me of my twin sister whenever I'm listening to it, and it's one of my favorite songs.
Call me Oppa Gangnam Style because she loves Oppa.
No, not Oppa. I love K-pop.
Alright.
So, yeah. That is so weird. Next question. One thing that you can do well that other can't. Oh, is it?
One thing that you can do well that the other can. Oh yeah, I thought I misunderstood the question. But yeah, one thing
that I can probably do well that she can't. I'm not really good at it, but you know, I can definitely write like poetries.
Yep.
And like basically literature stuff. I love it, and I kind of excel on it. And yeah, my sister, however, is good at arts.
The other side,
Yeah, arts and music,
and you know, stuff like that.
yeah, she's really good at it, and I can't do it. I can't even draw. So yeah, but that's good, right? Like her weakness is my strength, and my strength is her weakness, so that makes us a great combo. Okay, so next question.
Excuse me, I'm about to burp.
Do you have the same personalities?
No.
No. As you guys, it's so obvious from the way we look, right? And our personalities is so different. Like all of the people we've known, like personally, they always tell us that we're so different in terms of like our personalities. I'm really about to burp. Her personality is on like the strong side. Like she's very, what do you call it, firm, if that's what I want to do. Yeah,
she's so girly and call this such a baby. She's such a baby.
Yeah. And yeah, she's a very strong woman. Okay, so next question. Silliest question about being twins. Definitely it's the question about whether I feel the pain that she's
whenever
feeling.
I'm sick or whenever she is sick.
That
I
is
feel
not
the
true.
same. No, it's not true.
That's very silly, right? So next question. Describe each other in 3 words. You go first.
She's witty. She is. And smart.
Oh really? Am I?
I'm saying it. She's smart and childish. Ooh.
Oh, you get out of my channel. Okay, so 2 words that I would describe her. She is very mature. She's a very strong person. Like her personality is very strong. Like how do you do that? And also she's very like straight off the bat. Like that's 3 words already. But yeah, you know what I mean, you guys. Like if she wanted to tell you something, I forget the exact word about it, but it's like when she wanted to tell you something, she's gonna say it like even though it's gonna hurt your feelings. It's just, yeah, you're very straight about things. So okay, number 12. One thing that annoys you about each other. So you guys, there's like a lot of things that annoys us about each other. So yeah, we fought a lot. That's the truth.
Especially when we were in high school, remember?
Yeah, when we were
in
used
high
to
school, hurt each other.
Yeah, I would pull her hair until her face is like on the floor, and she would do the same.
So we do like,
yeah, like
this.
Yeah, we really hurt each other so badly that both of us will end up crying. No, I end up crying.
No, she ended up crying, and even if she started the fight, our mom will get angry at me because she thought that I make her cry.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, the one thing that annoys me about her is when she's bossing me around. Like she's so bossy.
Well, the one thing that annoys me about her is that sometimes she's so stubborn. Like if I told her to sleep, it's already late, and she was like, she doesn't care. She's just keep on doing that thing, and it's really annoying.
Yeah, let me do my thing.
Because I wake up early, so I have to sleep early, and she's like, "Are you even sleeping?"
I'm not sure. Question. Number 13. This question I don't really want her to answer because she calls me very weirdly. But yeah, nicknames you have for each other. The nickname that I gave her is very simple and very like professional.
Oh, really?
And, yeah. I call her Jure.
I don't know why she started that.
Oh no, I remember. No. Like back in the day. Stop. Okay guys, I used to call her Choleng. Yeah, that's her nickname, Choleng. Choleng. Yeah, because she used to be very like unattentive. Like when we were talking with our friends, we were all laughing and she's like, what happened? So yeah, we called her Choleng.
And I call her Pohete. So if you leave...
Oh my gosh, please. It's like PG-13. My channel is PG-13, so can you not? Okay, so yeah. Please forget about it. Okay, so next question. What do you order at fast food restaurants?
Well, she likes to order fries and everything that has caffeine on it. Especially bread. She likes bread and pasta and stuff like that.
Yeah, I love it.
Wow.
Well, she likes to order chicken, and she likes rice. Also, she loves to order salad. She loves salad.
I love
vegetables. Meanwhile, I hate vegetables.
She loves meat.
Yeah, I love meat.
And potato.
Okay, so next question. Favorite thing about each other. Okay, so you go first.
No, you go first.
You go first.
No!
You go first. You go first. No! Okay, so what I love about her. This is like what favorite thing? Okay. Favorite thing I like about her the most is whenever I need advice on something, like I can always count on her to tell me the truth and not sugarcoat everything. And also she's very protective. Like in a way, I can't really fight with someone. Like I can't do that. I just end up crying, and then I always ask my sister for help, and then she's gonna do the fighting for me.
Well, what I love about her is that whenever I'm sad or I'm being negative and stuff like that, she's always there for me. She's like a comfort zone for me. She's so witty that I end up laughing and forget about the thing that bothers me. So, yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing we like about each other. Okay, so next question. Are you identical? Are we identical? Well, we used to back in the day when I had
before she transformed herself into a living doll.
No. They're gonna think I'm weird. No, I didn't do that, guys. Well, we used to be back in the day when we both had the same figure. Also, I have my black hair. And I think that was like high school days.
Yes.
But when we were in college, we started dressing up very differently,
and we
like
do our makeup very different from each other.
Yeah. She likes Western type of makeup, meanwhile I like Asian type of makeup. So yeah. So I think that really, but if you guys could like see into our souls. Okay guys, something just happened but you're not gonna see it. Okay, so but if you guys could only look deep inside our souls, we're like
our
the same
souls.
But
We are.
Question. Favorite film you've seen together and why? So you answer it.
Coraline was our favorite, but recently we really love Our Greatest Showman.
No, Our Greatest.
The Greatest.
we really love The Greatest Showman. It's like the best movie ever. Like I can talk about it for like hours. I love it.
But before we really love Coraline.
We used to watch it every day.
Yeah.
Like after school, we're so excited to go home just because we wanted to rewatch Caroline.
And we were
To do
like,
it-
while watching it, we're like, what do you call it?
yeah, we kind of like, what do you call it? Moving on to the next question. Okay, moving on to the next question. Number 18, who's a good cook? Definitely, it's me. Let me tell you guys a very funny story about when this girl tried to cook.
I can't cook. I can't eat, but I can cook.
Okay guys, so this happened. I already warned her not to use baking soda as a flour. Like she didn't use any flour at all. She just used baking soda to bake some, not bake, but to cook pancakes. And I already warned her that it's gonna taste bad, that it's salty, and she did not believe me. She even told me that she knows what she's doing. And guess what? That pancake is poisonous. Yeah.
No one ever ate it.
Yeah, we can't eat it because it's so...
And I feel so bad.
Why would you? No one could eat it. Next question. Describe the last thing you did with your twin.
We just ate.
Yeah, we just ate at this restaurant, the Chef Ferdie's. That's why I'm feeling kind of bloated right now.
I'm so bloated.
Yeah. So this is the last thing we did. And yeah, number 20 is probably the last question. Complete the statement. My twin sister is probably my best friend.
Yeah.
And you?
Same.
You can't just copy my answer.
Well, my twin sister is probably my comfort zone.
Okay guys, so that's all for the twin sister tag. Also, if you guys wanted us to do a Q&A, like twin sister Q&A,
Yep.
please leave your questions on the comment section down below, and we will definitely film that video for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channels. And yeah, click that subscribe button there. Click it. And also guys, my sister, if you guys didn't know already, have her own YouTube channel. So if you guys are interested, I will be linking her channel on the description box below. If you like makeup tutorials,
Yeah.
go check her out. Like, go check this out. Like this out. Like this. So bye.
Bye. Better do this.
I'm giving them a flying kiss.